Crash Course on Panama. The Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is a monumental feat of engineering that has played a pivotal role in global trade and the economy of Panama. Let's delve into its history, construction, and significance. History. The idea of constructing a canal through Panama can be traced back to the early 16th century when Spanish conquistadors explored the region. However, it wasn't until the late 19th century that serious efforts were made to create a passageway between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Construction. The construction of the Panama Canal was a massive undertaking. The French initiated the project in the 1880s but faced numerous challenges, including diseases like malaria and yellow fever. The United States took over the project in 1904 and completed it in 1914. It involved excavating a channel through the Isthmus of Panama, building locks to elevate and lower ships, and creating the vast Gatun Lake. Significance. The Panama Canal has had a profound impact on global trade, reducing travel distances and costs for ships. It has facilitated the movement of goods between the Atlantic and Pacific, opening up new trade routes and connecting nations. The canal has been a vital strategic asset for maritime commerce, contributing significantly to the economy of Panama through tolls and attracting international trade and investments. Interesting stories, examples. 1. The canal's construction was an arduous endeavor, with thousands of workers involved. One notable figure was Dr. William Gorgas, an American physician who implemented successful mosquito control measures, significantly reducing the spread of diseases and making the construction feasible. 2. The Panama Canal Zone, which housed American personnel overseeing the canal's operation, became a melting pot of cultures and traditions, leaving a lasting impact on the region's social fabric. Top 12 attractions of the Panama Canal. 1. Miraflores Visitor Center. Explore the Miraflores Visitor Center, which offers a fascinating glimpse into the canal's operations, history, and technology. 2. Panama Canal Railway. Embark on a scenic journey aboard the historic Panama Canal Railway, which follows the canal's route and provides stunning views of the surrounding landscape. 3. Gatun Lake. Discover the vast Gatun Lake, created by damming the Chagres River. Enjoy boat tours, fishing, and wildlife spotting in this expansive body of water. 4. Amador Causeway. Stroll along the Amador Causeway, a picturesque waterfront promenade with stunning views of the canal, skyline, and Bridge of the Americas. 5. Flamenco Island. Visit Flamenco Island, a popular spot for marinas, restaurants, and panoramic vistas of the Pacific entrance of the canal. 6. Culebra Cut. Witness the engineering marvel of the Culebra Cut, where the canal slices through the Continental Divide, surrounded by lush tropical forests. 7. Panama Canal Museum. Immerse yourself in the history of the canal at the Panama Canal Museum, located in the historic Casco Viejo district of Panama City. 8. Agua Clara Locks. Experience the newly expanded Agua Clara Locks on the Atlantic side of the canal, offering a modern and immersive visitor center. 9. Panama Canal Expansion Observation Center. Visit the observation center at the new set of locks, where you can witness the impressive transit of massive cargo vessels. 10. Pedro Miguel Locks. Observe the operation of the Pedro Miguel Locks, one of the 3 lock systems that allow ships to navigate the canal. 11. Summit Botanical Gardens and Zoo. Explore the Summit Botanical Gardens and Zoo, located near the canal, and discover a variety of native flora and fauna. 12. Panama Canal Cruises. Embark on a memorable Panama Canal cruise, allowing you to experience the canal's transit firsthand and witness its impressive locks. Summary. The Panama Canal stands as an iconic symbol of human ingenuity and ambition. Its construction revolutionized global trade, connecting the world's 2 major oceans and opening new opportunities for international commerce. Beyond the canal, Panama offers a host of attractions, from the Miraflores Visitor Center to the natural beauty of Gatun Lake and the historic charm of Casco Viejo. Panama invites you to witness its rich history, explore its vibrant cities, and experience the awe-inspiring wonder of the Panama Canal. Poem. In Panama's embrace, where oceans unite. The Panama Canal, a marvel, shining bright. A gateway of commerce, connecting the seas. Where ships sail through, with effortless ease. From Miraflores to Gatun, locks raise and lower. The canal's rhythm, a feat to behold and adore. Through Culebra's cut, where mountains part. Trade flows freely, shaping Panama's heart. Centuries of history, a story untold. From French ambitions to U.S. stronghold. Mosquitoes battled, diseases overcome. The canal's birth, a triumph for some. Miraflores beckons, with tales of the past. The visitor center, where memories amass. Gatun Lake, a reservoir vast and serene. Teeming with wildlife, a lush paradise scene. Amador's Causeway, a panoramic view. Where the Bridge of the Americas comes into view. Pedro Miguel, Agua Clara, locks of might. Transiting ships, a wondrous sight. From Casco Viejo's charm to Summit's green. Panama's allure, a vivid dream. The canal's legacy, a nation's pride. In Panama's heart, forever reside. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.